Where you coming from?
Hey, Mama!
Where you coming from?
Hey. I look a mess.
What is that?
Purge. I gotta pick up my outfit, Mommy. Jeez, I gotta pick up my outfit. What are you doing?
Happy birthday to you.
I saw this morning, I tell somebody, say, every time on my birthday, we used to wake up to a voice note from my mother, and now me wake up to them.
Happy birthday. Me send it. You
You
just
did?
don't listen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Malika. Happy birthday to you. Sugar by American porridge this morning. Look how early me just a wake up. And sugar by American porridge. Her mother should have made breakfast here, not true?
Exactly.
But as she won't go buy it.
No, because...
Happy birthday to you again. Happy birthday to you again. Happy birthday, dear Malika. Happy birthday to you.
I read till Indian.
No, I don't know my size.
No, she still not get your size. She may tell you that because of your body.
No, she always, and she get it. And everyone that she have on, I mean tell her where she feel buy.
So what size that you have on?
I don't know.
She just don't check her size.
Let me see. Let me see.
The one you're old.
Where you go buy? Let me see where you go buy.
Up on your top, this.
Don't show anybody. Me have video yo. Let me see where you go buy.
I buy Tory Burch and pink.
See, IPC?
This was almost 300.
Oh
this
my
was 60.
That's what you do with your birthday money?
Can I have some?
Some hour. Birthday money?
Yes.
Let me see the else.
How much money you want for your birthday? Because me not get all of your stuff them when I buy you.
That's it.
$100? That's not bad.
Oh, that's not for 200.
Okay. Chanel, you cooking now?
Right now,
Where I tell her? How much? What you want for your birthday? $500? Your chest high. Yeah, let me see what you buy.
They don't always give me them bag.
Yes, Mama Sita. Chat about birthday girl. I got palav later. Oh yes. Tori.
This bag was $300 and I got it for $160.
This is ridiculous. We must spend my money like that. I always spend money. We don't even know this your brother. I just come out.
No, Tory Burch? No.
Yeah.
Really fancy.
Yeah, I'm gonna really bring it unless me I got
Tory Burch? I don't know nothing about Tory Burch. I know about Michael Core.
No, that the brand already fit this brother.
Really?
I don't remember because they close about the same price, right? Yeah.
Me should I take my 200? 200 how much you pay for
Still
this?
expensive.
You know that Michael Kors?
No.
When they come over,
We know what?
expensive.
Michael Core?
Yeah.
Yeah, what you talking about? This can't go into Michael Core?
No, this bag was $300 and something. That's the same thing as my
No,
other.
look for this. The blue bag when I have, Michael Core was $300.
Yeah, this was
So, but that
300.
was like from 2004.
Yeah, but that's when I see them in the same
But look
age
here.
group. Them not add up to Gucci. Gucci a $1,000.
But me never buy the bag or get it as a gift. Me not take no $500,
Yeah, Chanel
$400. For how much you pay for this?
$230.
We not take nothing $50 buy this. So now I'm call you. You hear me now? Because I have to talk so loud. Birthday girl.
This happened in my car. So when rain fall,
I when the time hot.
I can crack my window.
Yeah, because sometimes you jump out of the car and just leave it like
Mama,
that.
what is in there?
No, check if anything more. 4 of them. The rest of some of them no come, so. I have more things, but they don't come when I take no. I don't know why they take so long to deliver something. Like, I'm so mad. Them say them have.
God believe me.
No, when I come last night, not never in the sink. Because them argue about plate in a sink. Birthday.
Let me show you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that's her that's her brand. Yeah, that's nice. Who give flowers?
Mina.
Oh, that's nice. So what me give?
That's around there. Come on, let's go. Is it a car?
Yeah, no. Let me see what me give her for her birthday.
Mommy, where did you put it?
Oh,
Oh, it's
me
right
give-
here.
Oh, what me can't make people see say at this you get for your birthday from me. It's not right. Me order the things them and they no come. And today our birthday, I order them almost 2 weeks ago from where that take.
But anyways, guys, this
See.
is for my car.
So pretty up our car.
Hey.
But
I
they
think I
no
know what you
come.
bought.
Hmm?
I think I know what you bought. I'm princess seats.
Yeah, no buy that.
My sis is so ugly.
I she pick our car. Let me see what you have in your room when you get from anybody.
Look at that, mommy. Mommy, it's a mess. Oh,
Look on our room. She don't clean our room. No more again, man.
mommy, I gotta.
I live right around the corner. Yeah.
See it here now. Ready, set, go. Where that take?
Don't rush, slow touch, brown and white. Like I go country, grab and buy. We can go bust, eye for eye.
Mommy, I sent a video to Kayla. Say hi.
Hi, Killa. Hi.
Say hi. Me, I sent Abby too.
Hi, Ab.
Mommy.
Turn on this here.
Oh my god.
They look completely.
Mommy, I'm making a video.
You're going in your cat suit.
Bye bye. What we doing? What we doing?
Come on, this party.
Mommy,
Eh?
my hair
Yeah.
needs to be brushed.
There's one need to brush off like that.
Mom.
It's Willem Jones in on the beat.
Mo ní láti lówó, mo ní láti là. Mo ní belief pé màá jáwé ọ̀la. Mo ní láti lówó, mo ní láti là. Oh.